Everyone wants healthy, radiant skin. It's a universal desire that transcends age, gender, and culture. When our skin glows, we feel more confident and vibrant. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. It makes us look and feel our best. Radiant skin can boost our self-esteem and make us feel unstoppable. Whether we're heading to work, meeting friends, or just enjoying a day out, glowing skin can make all the difference. But sometimes, our skin looks dull and tired. Stress, pollution, and lack of sleep can take a toll on our skin, making it lose its natural luster. It's frustrating to see our skin not reflecting how we truly feel inside. Don't worry, there's a natural way to bring back your glow. By incorporating simple natural ingredients into our skincare routine, we can rejuvenate our skin and restore its natural radiance. It's all about making mindful choices that benefit our skin in the long run. Over the next 30 days, we'll unlock your skin's potential. We'll explore various natural remedies and routines that can transform your skin. From face masks to daily habits, we'll cover everything you need to know to achieve that coveted glow. Get ready to say hello to radiant, healthy skin. With consistent effort and the right approach, you'll see noticeable improvements. Your skin will thank you for the care and attention you give it. This isn't about expensive creams or complicated treatments. It's about simple changes. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant results. We'll focus on easy-to-follow routines that fit seamlessly into your daily life. These changes will make a big difference. You'll be amazed at how small tweaks can lead to a major transformation. It's all about being patient and persistent. You'll be amazed at the results. The journey to radiant skin is rewarding and fulfilling. Seeing the positive changes in your skin will motivate you to keep going. Are you ready to start your journey? Let's do this. Together, we'll embark on a path to healthier, glowing skin. It's time to unleash your natural glow and feel your best every day. Welcome to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here, we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing, and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality and well-being. Let's discover a healthier, happier life together. Our skin faces a daily battle. Pollution, stress, and even what we eat can steal its natural radiance. Pollution clogs pores and makes skin look dull. Stress triggers inflammation, leading to breakouts and uneven skin tone. And what about our diet? Sugary drinks and processed foods. They do no favors for our skin. They can lead to inflammation and breakouts. But don't worry, we can fight back. With the right lifestyle choices, we can win the battle for beautiful skin. First, you are what you eat. That's especially true for your skin. Want that healthy glow? Load up on fruits and vegetables. They're full of antioxidants. Antioxidants fight damage from pollution and stress. Hydration is key too. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It flushes out toxins and keeps your skin plump and dewy. Don't forget healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and fatty fish are your friends. They help your skin retain moisture and fight inflammation. You don't need a cabinet full of expensive products for great skin. Nature has provided us with amazing ingredients. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer. It hydrates the skin and fights bacteria. Honey is another powerhouse. It's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Honey can help soothe and heal the skin. And then there's aloe vera. It's known for its soothing properties. Aloe vera is great for calming irritation and reducing redness. Third, stressed out skin, find your zen. Stress doesn't just affect our minds, it impacts our skin too. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol. This hormone can lead to breakouts and dullness. So take time to relax and de-stress. meditation, deep breathing, or even a warm bath can work wonders. Find what helps you unwind and make it a part of your daily routine. Journaling is another great way to manage stress. It helps to clear your mind and reduce anxiety. Fourth, beauty sleep. It's not a myth. Ever notice how your skin looks its best after a good night's sleep? That's because sleep is crucial for skin cell regeneration. When we sleep, our bodies repair and renew themselves. This includes our skin. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. It will make a world of difference. During sleep, our skin produces collagen. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Fifth, 30 days to radiant skin. Your daily guide. This guide is designed to help you achieve glowing, healthy skin in just 30 days by following a simple daily routine. Each step is carefully crafted to nourish your skin from the inside out, ensuring you look and feel your best. Ready to begin your 30-day transformation? Let's embark on this journey together, one day at a time. Consistency is key, and with dedication, you'll see remarkable changes in your skin's texture and appearance. Here's your daily guide to glowing skin. Morning. Start your day with a fresh mindset and a commitment to self-care. Drink a glass of warm lemon water upon waking. This simple habit helps to kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and hydrate your body after a night's rest. The vitamin C in lemon also boosts your immune system and promotes collagen production for healthier skin. Enjoy a breakfast rich in antioxidants, berries, oatmeal, green smoothie. Antioxidants help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, keeping it youthful and radiant. Berries are packed with vitamins, oatmeal provides fiber for digestion, and green smoothies offer a powerhouse of nutrients. Apply a light moisturizer with SPF. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays is crucial in preventing premature aging and skin damage. A moisturizer with SPF keeps your skin hydrated while shielding it from the sun. Have a healthy lunch with plenty of vegetables and lean protein. Nutrient-rich foods provide the building blocks your skin needs to repair and regenerate. Vegetables are full of vitamins and minerals, while lean protein supports collagen production. Take a few minutes to practice deep breathing exercises. Stress can take a toll on your skin, leading to breakouts and dullness. Deep breathing helps to reduce stress, improve circulation, and bring a healthy glow to your complexion. Stay hydrated with water or herbal tea. Hydration is key to maintaining skin elasticity and preventing dryness. Herbal teas like chamomile or green tea also have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe your skin. Enjoy a balanced dinner with healthy fats like avocado or fish. Healthy fats are essential for maintaining the lipid barrier of your skin, keeping it soft and supple. Avocado is rich in vitamins E and C, while fish provides omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Spend some time relaxing. Take a warm bath, read a book, or meditate. Relaxation is an important part of your skincare routine. It helps to lower stress levels, which can improve your skin's appearance. A warm bath can soothe your muscles and mind, while reading or meditating can provide a mental escape. Cleanse your face gently and apply a natural moisturizer like coconut oil. Cleansing removes dirt and impurities, while a natural moisturizer like coconut oil nourishes and hydrates your skin without harsh chemicals. Exfoliate your skin gently 1 to 2 times a week with a natural scrub. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. Natural scrubs with ingredients like sugar or oatmeal are gentle yet effective. Apply a face mask made with honey or aloe vera. Honey is a natural humectant that draws moisture into the skin, while aloe vera soothes and heals. Using a face mask once a week can provide deep hydration and nourishment. By following this daily guide, you'll be on your way to achieving radiant, healthy skin. Remember, consistency is key, and taking care of your skin is an investment in your overall well-being. Enjoy the journey to a more confident, glowing you. 6th, embrace the journey, love the results. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier, more radiant you. It's important to enjoy the process and not rush through it. Take time to appreciate the little victories along the way. There might be days when you slip up, and that's okay. Everyone has those moments. What's important is how you respond to them. Don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, use these moments as learning experiences. Just get back on track the next day. Consistency is key, and it's the small daily habits that add up over time. Whether it's your skincare routine or your diet, staying consistent will bring you closer to your goals. Be patient and kind to yourself. Self-care is not just about the physical actions, but also about the mindset. Treat yourself with the same kindness and patience you would offer a friend. This positive mindset will help you stay motivated. Focus on making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. These changes might seem insignificant at first, but over time they will lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Drink more water, eat more fruits and vegetables, and choose natural skincare products. Celebrate each step you take towards achieving radiant skin. Every small achievement is worth acknowledging. Whether it's sticking to your skincare routine for a week or noticing a slight improvement in your skin, celebrate these moments. The journey itself is just as important as the destination. Take time to reflect on your progress and enjoy the self-care rituals that make you feel good. Journaling can be a great way to track your journey and stay motivated. You'll not only see the difference in your skin, but you'll also feel healthier and more energized. The benefits of this journey extend beyond just physical appearance. You'll find yourself feeling more confident, happier, and more in tune with your body and mind. 7th, ready, set, glow. So, are you ready to unlock your natural glow? Start this 30-day challenge and witness the amazing transformation of your skin. Remember, healthy, radiant skin is within your reach. It's time to shine from the inside out. Start today and embrace the journey to a healthier, happier, more radiant you. Like, share, and subscribe for more heart health tips and wellness advice.